One of Abraham Lincoln's most famous speeches is his Gettysburg Address, delivered on November 19, 1863, during the American Civil War. 77 years ago our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty, and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. Now we are engaged in a great civil war, testing whether that nation, or any nation so conceived and so dedicated, can long endure. We are met on a great battlefield of that war. We have come to dedicate a portion of that field, as a final resting place for those who here gave their lives that that nation might live. It is altogether fitting and proper that we should do this. But, in a larger sense, we cannot dedicate, we cannot consecrate, we cannot hallow this ground. The brave men, living and dead, who struggled here, have consecrated it, far above our poor power to add or detract. The world will little note, nor long remember what we say here, but it can never forget what they did here. It is for us the living, rather, to be dedicated here to the unfinished work which they who fought here have thus far so nobly advanced. It is rather for us to be here dedicated.
Hey there! We hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you've been finding it helpful or entertaining, please take a moment to hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll be supporting us and helping us to continue creating content that you love. We've got more great stuff in store, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.